In Fusion 360 in 2022, this seems to be how you import STLs into Fusion that you can edit. So insert mesh under the insert tab, click on the STL you want, then position it how you want using the arrows. And if you want to get straight on, just use the thing up in the corner there. And then if you wanted to import multiple at one time, you can do that too. Insert mesh, grab that file. Control click to get the next one, or shift, however you want to select multiple. Open. Now we have two. Now they are together, so you'd have to grab them individually to separate them if you want to do that. Just move them outside. Down. Moving pieces around. But anyways, so now to make the file editable so you can work on it, you've got to go to the Mesh tab, and you click the file you want. You get face groups. You can use accurate or you can use fast. So now it's got face groups. You could do that to whichever one you want to work on. And then you click on the file again you want. And then you go down here to convert to mesh. And then you just hit OK. And now it is gray. It is now something you can work with. But for some reason, if you go the other way and you go here, insert mesh, and you grab a file, okay, you click on the file, you do face groups, okay, we're good. Click on the file, convert. It does something different, and it doesn't. So that doesn't seem to work, which is doesn't seem intuitive to me. Seems like that should also be a route, but it isn't working. So seems like the way to do it is under the modify and inserting over here. Yeah. So there we go. That file can be modified. Somehow I don't think that'll improve it, but there we go. One way to do it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped.